Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to give a quick little recap of the past couple days. You guys know me as the book guy on YouTube, and I was fortunate enough to get on a private jet with Mark Evans, one of my clients and great friends. And he assembled a crew. We went down in a private jet to the Legacy Boardroom, Tim Bratz's Legacy Boardroom, and it was phenomenal. A lot of people talking about business, real estate, crypto, and legacy wealth, making it and keeping it. So this video is sort of a montage of a lot of things that happened the past couple days, and I highly recommend that you look into this group and get around people who represent who you are at your core, because when you get around people that have a good heart and share your similar core values, a lot of good can come from that. That's how you can build a tribe. So check out this video, and I hope you like it. And yes, yeah, can you play Price You Pay? Yeah, not the Bruce Springsteen version. You know how I feel about it. Yeah, let's go.
First jet experience right here. There's the DM. There's the Marlo, Chris, Stratton, Nick, Chris, Nick. A couple other guys. Woo, here we go.
About 30 minutes before the event actually begins, I want to give a quick recap of yesterday, which was my first private jet experience. Phenomenal, more convenient, more comfortable than I ever thought it would be, so I want to make that a habit. We went from the airport right to the hotel, right to Topgolf, met up with a bunch of other Legacy Boardroom members, and just, it was wild because you pick up right where you left off. The power of these events is absolutely real. And I met with two gentlemen yesterday that said that they came to one of these events, I think it was the last event or 2 events ago, and since then they teamed up and built a huge portfolio, 400 units, and they owe it all to Tim Bratz and the group. So these events can change the course of your life. They really can. It's amazing just by putting yourself in a room with a group of other people who share the same core values, same beliefs. Something great can come from that, and maybe you don't know what that is, but you can't do this shit on your own. You need to find good people to ask questions, to work with, to strengthen a weakness. So that's why I recommend, whether it's Legacy Boardroom or 365 Driven or Arate, do something that puts you in the right rooms, because that's whenever things start to click. That's when you feel momentum, and that's when you start to do business with friends. I've realized that back in the day, I was always just looking for clients and then maybe turning them into friends. Like, you become friends after working with them. And then I shifted my mind into, I'm going to look for friends and then do business with them in some aspect. That's a game-changing thought. So today I'm going to be on the panel in a couple hours. I can't wait for that. Mark Evans is speaking later today, and Steve Forbes tomorrow. So it's going to be a great couple days. Get around the right people, and your life will never be the same.
You guys hear me all right?
I'm at the Legacy Wealth Summit of 2021. JJ was just up on stage. I have clients that work with this individual, wicked person when it comes to PR. Having a great time. How about you guys? We're doing a challenge right now.
the boardwalk.
Make your own bar.
By the side.
Make your own bar.